What's up, guys? I'm going to show you guys the grumpiest cat in the world. Legit, the grumpiest. Hello.
Who are you talking to?
My phone. I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm filming Dolly because she's the grumpiest cat in the world. Where's Mrs. Dolly? Dolly, Dolly, Dolly. Dolly, Dolly, Dolly. Ooh, where is she? Oh, I found her. The grumpiest kitty in the world. I just want to pet you. Don't bite. No. Oh, but you like that? But look, you don't like that? But you like this. Like this? But you don't like that. Dolly, make up your mind. Look at this cutie. Look. Most demanding and grumpiest kitty in the world. Most demanding cat in the world right here.
Well, Dolly, are you happy that Dean is here?
Bye,